So this little bugger right here, she's kind of rusted up. So she's not holding air. We'll need a little compressor here, which is already all pressurized and ready to go. We'll fill this tire up, and then we're going to take some 20% or 10% soap and the rest water. As long as it makes soap bubbles, that's all that really matters. So what we're going to do is, once this is completely filled up, we're going to spray the outside edges, and we're also going to spray the little nozzle there, and we're going to see if anything bubbles up. And we're going to need to do it on both sides. So if anything bubbles up, we're going to mark that area, and then we'll need to take the tire off. The next step is to pressurize the tire and spray it and see what happens from there. All right, let's go ahead and pressurize this baby up. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to spray around the rim. Oh wow. This thing's in bad shape. Look at all the air coming out of there. This thing is in serious disarray. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to take the tire off and just clean it completely. Because I mean, it's leaking really through everywhere. Look at all them bubbles. I'm willing to bet if we do it on the other side, it's going to do the same thing. Let's check it. It's not quite as bad on this side, but there are still spots. See it? See it coming up over here? It's coming up over there. And basically, all this amounts to is the rust. Basically what happens is the rust expands the metal, and then it causes little pockets for the air to get out of. So in order to fix this little mess, we need to take the tire off, and then ultimately we need to scrub down the rim and then clean it up. Guys, if you like what you saw, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to see me actually take the tire off the rim and show you how I clean the rim to prevent it from leaking in the future, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll create a video on that as well. Until the next time, have a scrap happy day.